Start with an engaging, almost conspiratorial tone. Have you ever wondered what the super rich do differently? It's not about working harder or being smarter. It's about a secret they've mastered, a force so powerful Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the reason people wake up richer every single day, without lifting a finger. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on this exact strategy. This secret is called compounding. Now stay with me because this isn't some complicated financial jargon. It's simple, and it's the single most powerful wealth-building tool on the planet. The rich don't just save money. They put their money to work, and then they make that work's earnings work even harder. Imagine you have a tiny snowball at the top of a very long hill. You give it a little push. At first, it rolls slowly, picking up just a little bit of snow. It doesn't look like much. But as it keeps rolling, it gets bigger, and the bigger it gets, the more snow it picks up with each rotation. Soon, that tiny snowball becomes an unstoppable avalanche. That's exactly what compounding does to your money. It's a money snowball. Most people completely overlook this because the start is so slow. You might only earn a few dollars in your first year. It feels insignificant. But here's where most people get it wrong. They get impatient and quit. The wealthy understand that this slow start is part of the process. Think of it like planting a bamboo tree. You water it for a year, nothing. 2 years, nothing. 3, 4 years, and you still see nothing above the ground. You might think the seed was bad, but in the 5th year, it suddenly shoots up 80 feet in just 6 weeks. Did it grow in 6 weeks? No, it spent 5 years building a massive, invisible root system strong enough to support its explosive growth. Your money, when it's compounding, is doing the same thing. It's building its roots. So, how does this actually work in numbers? Let's say you invest $1,000. It seems small at first, right? But let's fast forward. If you just let that initial $1,000 sit and compound at 10% for 20 years, it grows to over $6,700. In 30 years, it's over $17,000. And in 40 years, it's over $45,000, all from that one-time initial $1,000. You didn't add another penny. You just let time and patience do all the heavy lifting for you. This is why Einstein said, "He who understands it, earns it, ... He who doesn't, pays it." When you have credit card debt, you're on the paying side of compounding. When you invest, you're on the earning side. Now, here's where the truly wealthy separate themselves from everyone else. They don't just let it sit. They feed the snowball. They add to it consistently. Let's make this real. Forget thousands of dollars. What if you just invested $10 a day? That's probably less than you spend on coffee or lunch. $10 a day is about $300 a month. If you invested that $300 every single month for 20 years, again with a 10% average return, how much would you have? You would have invested a total of $72,000 over those 20 years. But your account wouldn't be worth $72,000. It would be worth over $227,000. The extra $155,000 is pure profit, earned by your money working for you. That is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. The second secret of the rich is that they reinvest everything. Every dollar of profit, every dividend payment, every bit of interest gets thrown right back into the pot to compound further. They don't cash out when they make a little profit. Cashing out early is the biggest mistake you can make. It's like uprooting that bamboo tree in year 4 because you were tired of waiting, just before it was about to explode in growth. Impatience is the enemy of wealth. The rich are disciplined. They are masters of delayed gratification because they know the real prize comes later. And this leads to the most crucial element of all: time. Your single greatest asset in investing isn't money, it's time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Let's look at 2 friends, Anna and Ben. Anna starts investing $200 a month at age 25. She does this for just 10 years and then stops completely, never adding another cent. Her friend Ben starts later. He begins investing at age 35, but to catch up, he invests the same $200 a month for 30 years, all the way until he's 65. Ben invests a total of $72,000, 3 times more than Anna, who, do you think has more money at age 65, assuming the same 10% return? It's Anna. By a lot. Even though she stopped investing after 10 years, her money had so much more time to compound that she ends up with over $1 million. The wealthy apply this principle to everything, not just their money. They compound their knowledge by reading every day. They compound their health by making small, good choices consistently. They compound their network by building genuine relationships over time. They understand that success isn't one big event. It's the result of thousands of small, consistent actions that multiply over a long period. This is why their success often looks effortless to the outside world. They're not getting lucky. They're riding the massive, unstoppable wave of years of compound growth. Think about Warren Buffett. He's one of the richest men in the world, but 99% of his wealth was earned after his 50th birthday. He didn't get rich quick. He got rich by starting early, staying consistent, and letting compounding work its magic for over 70 years. So what's the takeaway for you? It's beautifully simple. First, start now. It doesn't matter if it's $5 or $500. The act of starting is more important than the amount. Second, be consistent. Automate your investments so you don't even have to think about it. Treat it like a bill you have to pay a bill to your future self. Third, reinvest your earnings. Put every dividend and profit right back to work. And finally, be patient. Think in terms of decades, not days. Don't check your portfolio every 5 minutes. Plant the seed, water it, and let it grow. Compounding is the quiet engine that builds fortunes. It's the most democratic force in finance. It doesn't care about your background, your IQ, or your social status. It only asks for consistency and time. Start today. Let your money become your hardest working employee. One that never sleeps, never complains, and works 24/7 to build your freedom. Years from now, you'll be so glad you did. If this video helped you see your financial future in a new light, do me a favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video, where we break down exactly how you can start investing today, step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.